Okay, solution time. For those of you that have gone through the other two, you're going to see some similarities here, but we've taken it the extra mile this time because CAD transforms lets us do this easily. So I want you to do everything here with just CAD transforms. So let's turn on CAD transforms, go here, let's do this. So G here, constrain it to the X, let's go 2.5, great. This one, G here, move it this way, constrain it to the X, 2.5. It's great. You don't even have to put in a minus. So this next one, recreate this mini sculpture. Right, this one looks like it might be a little bit tricky. Let's go ahead and see what's going to happen. So I think we need to rotate this, obviously. So R, let's hit that point here and let's create our own axis right across. Is that right across? Let's see, right across. There we go. And then from here, we're going to be using the x-axis that we've just created. Okay, let's go 180. And then let's go and use our move tool with G and snap from there to there. Okay, great. Next one, move the red cube to cover the other cube. Exactly the same as our last one. So let's go R, let's create our axis. Let's set it to the y-axis from our custom one, and let's go 45 degrees in the other direction. And now let's go G from here. We're constraining it to the Z, and it's going to be this one. All right, so it doesn't match up. That's fine. We can go move it to here, and now we'll go G, Y. Sorry, not there. G, select our point. And now we're going to constrain it on the X to cover it up. There we go. All right, next up, we've got recreate this small sculpture. This one looks quite tricky, really, but it isn't. Take a look at this. So we're going to grab this one, going to give it a little rotation here of 45 degrees in this direction, and now we've got to also give it a 45 degrees in that direction. So R, we're going to go from here to there, and let's go on the Y of our custom one. Go 45 degrees in this direction, and now we're snapping this vertex to that middle edge. So G, this vertex, clear, Shift E to do edge centers. Okay, and then from here, this looks like it's just another edge center to edge center, and that's another edge center to edge center. Make sure that I have this selected, edge center to edge center, and then this last one looks like it's a vertex to a face center. So let's go G, let's set to vertex, then let's set to face centers, and there we go. Remember that all those shortcuts are over here on the tools, and they let you know what everything is as well. Okay, now this last one. Oh wow, we've got the big one again, and this time we have to do it only in edit mode. Okay, let's do it. So going into here, let's go and sort this out. So I'm going to go into face selection for this one. I'm going to select this one, go Control L, and now let's go and make sure our CAD transforms is on. Let's go G, vertex, going from this point to that point. Right, and then let's grab that other object here, Control L, G, grab U to here. Now we have to do a rotation, so let's rotate this guy here by, was it this one here that I had to rotate 45? Let me just double check what we're creating here. Yeah, it is that way. Okay, so yeah, that's correct. Let's go ahead. R from here to there. Let's put in 45. And then let's go R once again from here to there. And this time we're going to go on the Y-axis, and we're going minus 45 this time. And now we're going to snap it here with our vertex. Whoops, make sure we've got G set, vertex to vertex. Let's select this one here, go G, constrain it on the Y, and go 1 millimeter. Great. And now with that one, let's set off to do this big one here. So let's first just move these other cubes so that we have them somewhere visible. So moving these, you know what, let's just select all of them, Control L, G, and just move them over here. Let's grab this one here. And we've done this once before, but it was a real hassle with origin points. But considering that we can now do it with CAD transforms, it's much easier. It's just literally making our selection, saying that we're moving it, selecting where we're moving it from and where to. So selection, select it all, and where from to there. And then we had this weird one here, so let's go ahead and do that one now. Select that. Let's go from this point here. Was it that point there? Yeah, it was that point there. But let's go ahead and let's add the rotation to this one now. So we set our axis, go here, go 45 degrees. Is that correct? Yeah. Now let's select all of these here, go Control L, and now let's do our rotation that we have to do from this point outwards. Rotation from here to there. We're going that way, going minus 45, and there we have recreated that sculpture only in edit mode without touching a single origin point. Now, yes, I gather that might have been quite overwhelming, and believe me, I can imagine so. There's a lot of shortcuts going on there, and by no means am I thinking that you're going to be going as fast as me. Remember that I've been doing this for almost an entire year now, but do keep in mind that this is probably going to be one of the fundamental ingredients for precision modeling within Blender. We're going to be going it over and over and over again in the course through CAD transforms, as this is how we're going to get our sub-millimeter precision that we're needing oh so badly.